personal note, you're a family man, no? You got married recently or
1/10/15. January 10,
uh,
2015.
so you also have children? How many?
Dalawa na sir, bale yung isa 8 years old, tapos yung isa 3 months old. So ngayon, nandun si Missy sa bahay. Shout out natin, Elaine.
So sa buying decision mo, it's usually for the family. Yan inisip
Mm.
mo.
At saka extended family. Kaya kumuha kami ng 7-seater kasi yung mami ko, minsan may nakakasabay sa amin ng mga tito, pinsan. So, yun.
So when you buy a car, of course, preferred choice financing kasi I think generally most Filipino buyers prefer financing because lighter sa pockets, di ba? Monthly, hindi mabigat.
True.
So, ganon yung
Ganun talaga, sir. Pero
inclination.
kung kaya ko naman ng cash, why not, sir, ano? Pero mas madali kasi yung financing, kumbaga, sa 30%, 'di ba? Makuha mo na or 20, 30%, makuha mo na kaagad yung kotse, tas mas magaan yung monthly.